Should you practice trading before risking real money? Paper trading, simulated trading using virtual accounts, offers a way to develop skills without financial risk. But it comes with important limitations every trader should understand. We'll examine how paper trading works, what it can teach you, where it falls short, and how experienced traders often use it as one tool in their development process, not a complete substitution for real trading experience. Paper trading means placing trades with fake money using real market prices. Most major brokers offer it, and the platforms usually just look like a live trading platform. That makes paper trading useful in a few important ways. First, it's a learning platform. Paper trading helps you understand order types, market orders, limit orders, and stop losses. You can make mistakes without paying for them, and that matters early on. Second, testing a strategy. Paper trading lets you see how your rules perform in real markets. You can test entries, exits, and stop placements and see if the results match what you expected. This turns ideas into data. Third, practicing without pressure. Paper trading lets you work on timing, chart reading, and trade management without the emotional stress. If you document your trades seriously, those habits carry over later. Paper trading is helpful, but it is not the whole picture. Paper trading is not the same as live trading. Two differences that matter the most. First, execution. Paper trades often assume perfect fills. Live trading doesn't always work that way. Orders may not fill, prices can slip, and stops can trigger worse than expected. For example, a paper trade might stop out at $50. In live trading, a fast move or gap could stop you at $48. That difference is real money. And second, psychology. This is the biggest gap. Paper trading, you have no emotions, no fear, no stress, no hesitation. Well, live trading does, and when real money is involved, many traders act very differently. They exit winners early, they hold losers too long, they break their rules. Paper trading cannot teach that part. So how do traders actually use paper trading? Well, one platform, Mastery. Many traders start with paper trading just to learn how the platform works. Order entry, position management, execution. There's no set timeline. And two, strategy validation. Some traders paper trade to see if a strategy makes sense over time. The goal is not profits, it's positive expectancy. And three, small live trades. After that, many experienced traders move to live trading with very small position sizes, amounts that won't affect their life. And that's where emotional learning begins. Because paper trading teaches mechanics, live trading teaches discipline. Paper trading serves as a valuable learning tool, particularly for platform familiarity and strategy testing, but it cannot fully prepare you for the emotional reality of live trading. Understanding both what paper trading can teach and what it cannot teach helps set realistic expectations. And common approaches include using paper trading for platform mastery, strategy validation, and transitioning through small live positions to develop emotional management. Your development path depends on your prior experience, risk tolerance, and learning style. The goal is building competence progressively while managing risk appropriately for your circumstances. You want to learn more? Just visit verifiedinvesting.com for some educational resources on trading concepts.